Hi you guys, it's Mrs. Salter here, just going to very quickly go through some expectations for you for today. I apologize for not being able to give you a heads up that I was going to be gone today. I came home from work yesterday and found out that I have pink eye. So that is why you're going to listen to my lovely voice instead of staring at my lovely face as we go through this. So we're going to start off today with the quiz over chapters 1 through 6. This is not a surprise for you guys. We've been talking about it for over a week now. You should have finished chapters 1 through 6, and if you haven't, unfortunately, remember we talked about this, ready or not, it's coming for you. So you're going to have to try to do your best through the discussions that we have had in class. No books are going to be allowed to use for this quiz. So you guys are going to be expected to have your desk completely cleared except for a piece of paper and a writing utensil. And you are going to, it is going to be silent during the quiz, okay? I have left specific instructions for the substitute to leave names of anybody who's talking, and anybody who is talking during the quiz will get a 0 for their quiz, and we would have to figure out a make-up situation for you. So please, 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 no talking during the quiz. When you finish the quiz, you are moving into workshop. And you guys know that workshop is a quiet work time. There are many of you guys that are still missing some form of a task list, whether it's the one from yesterday, 5 and 6, or even some of you still missing 3 and 4. So there are only a few people in each class that really are at this next step where they can start reading ahead for chapters 7 through 9. And we will go through a new task list tomorrow, okay? During workshop, especially since many people will still probably be doing the quiz, I'm expecting it to be quiet as well. Once everybody has turned in the quizzes, if there are still some collaborative work that you need to do, you can quietly collaborate as long as that is okay with the substitute. If it is not, then it is independent work. Please make sure that you guys are being respectful to everybody. You know the expectations in the classroom. Let's also make sure that somebody in each group collects HRLs. If you guys remember, the class with the highest HRL turn-in today will get a treat. Also, the class with the best sub-report will also get a treat. So we potentially could have a class maybe that gets double treats. We shall see. One last thing that I wanted to go through with you guys for the quiz. Just make sure that you are really explaining yourself. You're going to write on your own piece of paper, so do not write on the quiz itself. But you'll see most of these are short answers, so I really want to make sure that you guys are explaining your thoughts, writing in full sentences. You do not have to rewrite the questions. If it's a multiple choice, all you have to do is A, B, or C. You don't have to write any of the other answers, okay? So at this point, you should be ready to go. Have a good day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.